Jessica's gonna do a formation with you.
Okay, so let's get the snipping tool.
And on the right, and have to be in the front. Good work.
Okay, that looks good here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a screenshot right away. Nope, that's not what I wanted, but let me do another one.
False start from Benjamin. 5-yard penalty.
I'm just cleaning my tires up. Eating my tires up.
1st and 15.
That's right. Dead ball foul.
Haven't heard of that in a long time.
What?
The CSL, I guess, should be.
Picture's too powerful. Oh, okay.
Your picture is too powerful.
That's what it says. Because I'm running in 4K, I think. That's why, right?
Yeah. Well, because I'm fine now.
It's
And
just
you should be fine also because I've got the servers boosted.
No, it says max file is 8 megabyte. Well, how big is my file?
Personal question.
You know what? Let me see if I can send it to you. No, max file is 8. Alright, well, let me save it. Let's see if I can uncompress it.
Buddy sunshine, buddy.
No, wait a minute. Save as. Actually, you know what? Open file.
What is it again? The size?
It's 4K. Oh, I don't know how many megabytes it is right now.
Because level 2 is 50 megabytes. It's level 2. I'm only at level 1. I don't see what it's. I can't see. There it is.
I'm just saving it now. Give me a sec. I bet you if I change it to a JPEG, it will work. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna go to your screenshot. There you go. Yeah, when it goes to PNG, so there's that one. So let me take another one. And then I'll do it. Put everybody in it. Because I'll do a wide shot. There. I'll do 10-second delay. New. So now let's do a wide shot.
I just got a message from Greenpeace in the chat that I'm using up too much fuel.
Yeah.
My carbon footprint here.
No. Just tell them it's biofuel. It's all good.
Yeah.
Mine's electric. A long cord.
Alright, gonna take that screenshot and put it in as well. And then I guess we'll take a...
Harbor Air just flew an electric float plane Beaver from Vancouver to Victoria this past weekend.
Yeah, I heard that.
The future is here today.
Except when it's raining, then they kind of fall out of the sky.
Well,
Don't fly at night.
not solar powered.
Oh, it's
How is
not?
Oh, it's the same image. What the?
Are we gonna go flying here sometime today?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I wasn't playing.
Alright,
Because,
well,
Hanging down.
you guys can take off. I'll catch up.
What's our speed?
I don't
Where we going?
Is that what we're going for? Is 400?
Yeah,
Alright, let's go for 400.
that's what you said.
So it's between 300 and 400 is formation flying and rolling.
We still have 2 more airports to go.
Yeah, I know.
Because I was just doing circles, and I look, and I'm like, I'm at the airport. How did that happen? Like the next airport. It's not that far away.
Okay, I'm gonna go for 10,000 feet, 400.
400 knots? Indicate?
400 knots, yeah.
Tehran Center, Lockheed Martin, Lightning 2, Foxtrot, Trade 5 Bravo. Is type 1 miles northeast of Oscar, India, Mike, November, 4,000 feet. Request flight following.
Slow down.
Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot 35 Bravo Tehran Center. Squawk 5176.
Very slow.
Squawk 5176 Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot, Trade 5 Bravo.
Okay, I'm at 10,000. I'm gonna maintain 400.
Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot 35 Bravo radar contact. 4 miles northeast of Oscar, India, Mike, November
I got the slowest
107
plane.
500 feet.
Oh, I got all that ammo.
Roger, Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot, Trade 5 Bravo.
That's what it is, always weapons. I barely got off the ground.
Yeah, it's just weird, like how like there's all these big. Well, I understand why there's big buildings, probably because it's apartment buildings and not houses in this country. But it's just like there's nothing, and then all of a sudden, boom, it's like there's a place.
So desert.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are
see,
you going to the number 2 position?
Number 2 is left. Number 3 is right.
I'll go number 3.
I need to go number 1.
Okay, save that for later.
Well, I didn't say number 2.
Thank you.
Just gonna hang out the window. You okay?
Yeah, that's what we do in the Navy.
Right?
It's like the other yesterday morning, my son goes out on the deck, and he's like naked. He just goes up to the side and he like whips it out. I'm like, hey, stop doing that! Peeing on the grass. Get back in the house.
You gotta stop feeding that beer.
Weird, yeah. I know it's in Mexico. The babies that they're not modeled.
No,
for
it's because I did my speed break. But I'm going back to 400.
Mexican babies are bottle fed, and it's Corona right off. They're born and they got Corona right away.
That killed coronavirus.
Ew.
So does Lysol. You have to drink it.
Oh.
Corona's more fun, man. So I kept it. You know, Corona's stock and sales actually went up during the pandemic.
Yeah,
I would have thought it would have been dead. Huh?
it's because people thought it actually cured it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Temporarily.
Yeah.
Cures you of many things like living.
You still have it the next day. The night before. Is anybody going 400 knots?
I'm doing
Going
410.
Yeah, I'm going
400.
401, 402,
Alright.
399.
I don't want to zoom right through you like that.
All right, Marsh. Well, if you're going to be there, I'm going to go here on the right, on the left. There we are.
Oh, you're gonna do that kind of formation? Alright.
Nice echelon.
Yep.
Hamid Karzai, is he dead?
Who?
Lightning 2 Foxtrot 3
President
Bravo
of-
contact Ashgabat approach on 123.5.
Was he assassinated?
No. I think it was an attempt.
123.5
Okay.
for Lockheed Martin Lightning
But
2
he's not
Foxtrot,
the
Trade 5 Bravo.
he's not the president
No.
anymore.
Taliban's the president.
Lockheed Martin Lightning 2
Yeah,
Foxtrot,
yeah,
Trade
Taliban's
5 Bravo,
back in.
12,000 feet.
But they claim they're not.
Lightning 2 Foxtrot 3
Yeah, yeah,
Bravo Ashgabat
Yeah,
Approach altimeter 30.00. Continue as planned.
You guys want to hold altitude? You like bouncing all up and down.
Are
Are you sure it's us bouncing up and down?
Here's your altitude. What are you holding? Oh, you're not
Right now I'm at 10.8, so 10.800. But because of the mountains that we're at, I'm getting some buffer,
oh,
like
that's what I'm thinking.
updraft. Yeah, updraft.
'Cause I'm trying to get with you.
Yeah, no, I'm getting some updraft because I put everything on realistic. Yeah, I'm getting like bounced a little bit, so I'm trying to.
All right, I'm at 10 and 420. I should close it on here real soon.
Marsh, you said you're not feeling it? It's not a feel there DLC.
Thank
Well,
goodness it's not the party.
Yeah. Wow, this airport really looks great. Building right in the middle of the road. Good thing it's not on the runway. There's like, what, like 2 years ago.
No, we're at 10 nautical miles away. I can see it visually.
Yeah, I'm waving.
Visual.
I'm here. Submit your location and all environmental complaints to the Airbus.
I just looked right behind
Target
us.
selection.
I can see right behind me now, and I can see all you guys' names and aircrafts.
Picture piece.
Pretty tight, actually.
I'm trying to fly the best I can. I can't really take a picture right now, but if somebody can do some screenshots, go right ahead.
Yeah,
I'd love to, but I can't take one either.
I'm taking a screenshot.
Take shots.
All right. I'll take a screenshot for you guys.
Oh, I guess shots are fired. Okay.
You know, we're in airstud world. It's this one.
Wait for it.
All right, there's an airport.
Mm-hmm.
Putting it down.
Cheers.
This is it.
Coming in hot.
Yeah,
No,
this
I'm
is the
gonna
airport.
Go right over it, and then I'm gonna do a left turn. But I'm gonna do a slight left turn, so it's gradual.
I just put a screenshot in the screenshots.
Yes, and it's a screenshot of the airport of you being alone.
There's one and all his friends.
Yeah.
Alright, starting turn in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 45 degree. 45. Gonna do 2G.
Oh. I screwed that.
Isn't it G2? The Gatorade? DG?
I'm at D7.
Or a Pontiac G6?
Okay, leveling off. Because we might have a formation landing coming up.
Oh, I want to
Working on it.
Ooh,
I want to crash with you guys.
sounds intriguing.
We'll all crash together.
Call the ball.
Oh man.
On the opposite side of the runway? Alright, can do that. Okay, starting my left turn. Slowing down to 250 knots, so piling. Gonna stay at 2,000 feet. Nothing way off.
Shoot, I had my spoilers.
Should we go left or right, boys?
I'm following you.
Wherever you want to go.
Left.
Alright, left it will be. Starting my left turn. Left turn. Flaps 10%. Gear down.
spotting my intercept course.
Okay. Flaps 35.
Flaps 35.
Aiming for 160 for speed.
165.
I'm aiming for 160 for speed.
165.
Keeping the happy. I've got 3
When I learned it,
and 1.
There's a flight school.
Yeah, it did. Paid like 16 grand for that flight school, huh?
I got it on so many YouTube videos that it's 165.
2 red, 2 whites.
Bottle of red. Bottle of what? Black
3 red, 1 white. Deuce. Oh, seems like there's turbulence here. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm at.
Should go 165.
Nope. I'm now, what, 162.
But,
162 is my speed right now. Now I'm at 1 red, 3 whites. No, 4 red.
There you go. You guys looking good.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Speed brakes deployed. Right on the marker.
Running on the left.
as in mine.
I'm on the right.
Right on the marker.
You guys looking good, looking good. Brakes deployed.
Mine is
Right on the marker.
Mine is 6,000 air stud.
The runway's wide open for you, Sigmund.
I got that.
Right?
Yeah.
That was pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Very enjoyable.
Not our first rodeo.
Nope.
Oh, I should have stayed. Oh, I should have stayed on that side.
Yeah. I'm going to the edge of the runway because it's easier for a flight path to the next airport.
Okay, guys, this is the one. Last one, I believe.
Yeah, it's the big one.
Now they're all practiced up.
This is for Top Gun. This is for Top Gun.
Yeah. 563 nautical miles. Done in 2.5 minutes.
Keep your tanks full.
Yeah, make sure your tanks are full. Airstead said he wouldn't tell us.
He's not warning us anymore. We're on our own.
I can only babysit you guys for a while. That's it.
No, I've got that recovery procedure down. But I'm cool. Like this thing. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of all these guns.
Okay, let me put some fuel in.
Maybe I'm gonna adjust my HUD a little bit, my brightness. Negative 3,435. Not that I'm looking at.
Not that you're counting.
There we go. Smooth landing. 1873. The year this plane was made.
Boy, you guys are being fun. We used to love this plane, man.
Hey, you should have seen.
I love this plane.
Yeah.
Friday, I was coming in. I was going in for a landing in the A320.
See a little little hill? Oh yeah, I can see there a little hill. And then after that little hill, you just turn right and you see all those bridges there. To your right, I think there's this delay in the stream, but yeah. Yeah, you're headed the right way. And then right through between those mountains right there, and then just fly low the whole time. And it's going to lead you right to the airport.
Yeah, now these mounts on this side don't look that great.
No. Just like a woman, they will have a good side and a bad side.
So true.
That's why there's no women that fly with us.
Oh, there's somebody watching.
Yeah.
Oh, Stud's girlfriend. Keep an eye on it.
Oh no, she just likes to watch.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Alright, it looks like everybody's ready. Start.
Did I lose you, Scoopus?
Yeah, I had some throttle issues, so I'm
Okay.
in my option screen.
Okay. I'll just slow down a bit.
Can't you just pull over?
Yeah, I'll pull over. I'll pull over to the side of the road. I'll ask for directions.
Okay, starting short right turn now. Four and a half G turn.
Holy.
I'm gonna go parallel to the runway.
Tehran Center, Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot
Flaps all the way up.
Bravo is type 1 mile southeast of Kermanshah, 4,600 feet. Request flight
Right turn. I'll do 6 Gs.
Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot 3, flight Bravo, Tehran Center.
And I'm flying right between.
Squawk 0662 Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot 3, flight Bravo.
Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot 3, flight Bravo, radar contact 1 miles west of Kermanshah, 6,100
Fly
feet.
fast and low.
Altimeter 29er
Aspen.
decimal 88.
Roger, Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot.
Tomcat is pretty fast, man.
Oh, yeah.
Which one are we going through? That one? Okay.
Oh, I blacked out, but yeah.
That could be a problem, that out. Sidlin, you were smoking in that Top Gun challenge. I was impressed. How'd you do that? Was that you flying for real or somebody else?
Yeah. No, that's me. I think it took me like three, 4 times, and then I was like, oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Benjamin.
I've never seen you fly like that with us. That was good stuff, man.
Oh, that's because he's never in the F-18.
Yeah.
You guys can still see me though?
Yep, I got you right in front of me.
I'm a trained F-18 sim pilot.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't have taken these drop tanks. I'm so slow. Too much weight.
Okay, Marsh, left turn.
Drop them.
Drop them like it's hot.
Okay, going inverted to go low.
I got to catch up.
I'm hugging in.
Oh no. Long putt on my
Good. And then inverted again to go hug that mountain.
Bridge roll. Where are you?
I'm coming to get you, Scoopus.
Yes, my Alpha Bravo was just giving me fits.
Ooh, oh.
complaining about a Honeywell? Is that what Alpha Bravo is?
Yeah.
Honeywell.
Left.
Or honeycomb. I've never heard anybody complain about a honeycomb.
Turning right in the hill.
I got to
Oh shit! Sorry. I couldn't make that turn. Oh well.
You know your aircraft. Slow it down, speed brake, full force.
Oh, it just came right up on me.
Marsh, do you know where you're going?
No.
Because Erica disappeared up my hilarious.
I'm flying too low, you can't see me.
Low radar.
I'm just glad I'm close to you, Erica, so I can be in the real world.
Try catching up.
What?
Yeah, there's a bunch of new stuff coming to the VFR map because of the G1000 NXI. But on my VFR map, now when you zoom in and out, they'll actually tell you how big the map is. So right now I'm at 200 nautical miles around. I think you can go down to 1 or 2 nautical miles.
It actually indicates how many miles the
No,
circle?
yeah, it like what the map is, like pretty much like the radius or
Yeah,
circumference or something like that.
diameter.
Yeah, diameter. There we go.
Oh,
I'm good in the finances, but when it comes to geometry,
yeah. Well, I could be wrong too. I didn't know what you're talking about.
yeah,
Me either.
Okay,
You said
when
it
we,
shows how the ring. Does it do it now? I don't.
yeah. So like on my
Oh,
map,
you're talking about in the garment itself, not on the VFR that comes with the.
yeah. So the actual VFR map within the sim will now show you when you zoom in, it goes like from 200 nautical miles right down to half a nautical mile. So, because it didn't do that before. So then that way you can somewhat tell how far you are to the next place.
Right.
6,300 feet.
alright, after this last mountain should be the airport where Marsh is. You should see the airport right after that.
We saw that.
Oh, I'm still watching your stream at negative 99,721 FPM. Not that I'm watching.
No,
Sorry,
it's
what are we
'cause I-
doing after this mountain?
You'll see the runway right after. I'm gonna go to 10,000 feet to have a better visual. I can see it. Straight in. Marsh is going right by it, but I'm gonna do a flyby. Do you see it, Marsh?
I think so.
Yeah. You're right by it right now.
Yeah, looks like it.
Fly right by it. Go 250 knots right above you.
Yes, sir. Ooh, I see. Oh, wow, that's very nice.
I do 300 knots right above you.
Lightning Seal Foxtrot 35 Bravo contact. You're on center on 119.3. Good day.
Another terrific plane.
Going to 119.3.
Alright, Marsh, I'll do an inverted flyby. Do you want nose or tail?
Tehran Center, Lockheed, Mark Lightning 2 Foxtrot 3, White Bravo, 7.
What?
Surprised you.
I don't know how to answer that.
Nose view or tail, which means like I'm flying from behind, but I'll do nose.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube, right?
I'm not gonna touch that.
All right, left base.
119er decimal.
Land right behind Mario.
Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot.
You're gonna have to change your setting on the channel to when the go along with it.
Questionable material.
Yeah.
Questionable.
Uncheck that one that says it's safe for kids.
Yeah. Then you watch the stream and it's just silent. It's just the video.
Just music,
Lots of bees.
no copyright music or whatever, non-copyrighted music.
Yeah. I got plenty of that.
Be one big long beat.
Big koala bear is coming in like a rocket.
Well, because on Saturday, did the 24-hour Le Mans. It was like the 24 seconds of Le Mans.
Yeah, I saw that.
It was like just the beginning of the second lap, and Buddy got the car got squiggly. The guy behind smashed into him, and then he flipped, and then another car came, smashed again. It was like an hour of damage. It's like when you're an hour behind and you only have 15 in your cars in your class.
Yeah,
It's over.
it's over. Well, it's certainly a lot less exciting to try and go through the torture, right?
Yeah, well, because I was like, no, I want to continue, guys. Like, we need to continue. So after all the damage was repaired, the other guys did like 1 or 2 stints each. And then I was like, I'm taking it through the night. See you tomorrow morning. But I only lasted like three stints, like 3 hours and 4 laps. Then I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm like, because we weren't going anywhere. So we're actually pulling further behind 14th. Like we were dead last, so I was like, no.
Give it up.
Yeah. Back it up. I had to go to sleep.
Yeah.
I was like, man, it's like 11 o'clock. I'm going to bed. It's quite early.
I watched one of your 24 hours. I didn't watch all of it. I watched several hours.
Yeah, last month in July.
That's what, yeah.
At Spa, yeah. That's where we went from. We started dead last because we started from pit lane.
Yeah.
So I think like 50th.
Yeah.
Went up to 11th.
Yep.
Dropped down to like 40th after 3 hours, and then we finished 4th place. That was a good result. But you have all the cars were the same class.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the Le Mans one, we had 3 classes, and we only had 15 cars in ours. Just getting at Oscar India Hotel Sierra.
What? Oh yeah, the next one. I was like, wait a minute. Just landing. I'm gonna do left right between you guys.
Yikes. Don't leave a mark.
It's only a couple million.
You can even go invisible. You are the air star.
Well, if I was in the 22, I would be. You wouldn't see me until I get there.
Aren't the flaps automatic? You said you were putting your flaps back on.
Not in the 14.
No, not in the 14. It's all manual.
All natural.
Well, I haven't been using mine ever.
Yeah,
That explains a lot.
I'm gonna be really good when I learn how to use that.
same here. I just use the spoilers.
I use that speed brake. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bounce. I still have that bounce.
Yeah, a lot of that. I'll tell you what though, they made the afterburners look really, really good now. When you look at the plane from behind,
Yeah.
they're really authentic looking.
Man, we're at a high altitude.
We are.
Well, mound right behind the airport looks absolutely real.
Yeah, and that's where
yeah?
we're gonna be flying.
Oh, those mountains?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I'll show you the entry point. I'm pretty sure you guys can see the entry point there. But
Looks like California.
what I'll do is I'll get to the edge of the runway and then I'll give you guys like a little bearing so you know where to go through.
Yeah, which side are you taking off from? 1-1?
I'm heading towards the edge of the runway, so we'll see in a second. I would say yeah, 1-1.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn around.
Well, what difference does it make?
The winds.
Like in the Wonder Woman plane. Ghost Rider.
Is everybody good on fuel?
I'm at 65, yeah, but I'm gonna refuel as soon as I get to the runway.
Oh, yeah, it's
Well,
Tank on today.
I have lost my. I'm about ready to crash. Lost my joystick inputs.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah.
I lost about 72% of my fuel just on that leg. I'm gonna have to do some air fueling to Kabul.
Well, you were flying low.
Where's that A320 tanker that was flying around earlier?
Yeah. C5's a tanker.
No, C5's cargo.
So I was watching last night Fly with Ernie. He's a Southwest. He was a FO, but he just became a captain. But he was in the military, and he said he always called it a tanker, but it was a C5. He said.
Well, they're definitely not a tanker.
Maybe he thought it was a tanker.
C5 is a transport.
Hyper warp speed.
Approach Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot Tree 5 Bravo. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot 35 Bravo. Cleared through the Charlie
Beautiful.
airspace.
Cleared through Charlie airspace. Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot Tree 5 Bravo.
Who's the best pilot you ever saw?
Corey Cooper.
Oh, because I can't really look at myself unless I go to a mirror.
You don't have one mounted to your monitor?
No, just in the kitchen, not kitchen, bathroom.
You're in the bathroom? What?
No.
He's flying while in the bathroom.
That's the skill there.
Well, you know, when I do the hic noises, it's something else.
There you go. There you go. Oh, crap myself up.
This is a long runway.
Yeah, the left, the right one is like 11,000 feet or something. All right, inverted pass. Here it comes.
Oh, that was better. 972.
Return final.
Oh. So there you go.
Simply, is that like an app that you put on your deal where it shows the stats on your screen?
Yeah, it's all the it's Fly Live Studio.
Oh, it comes with that.
Yeah.
That's for your YouTube stuff.
Yeah, for overlays. So it's that landing rate is from the all that overlay at the top.
Yeah, I've watched it in your videos. It's pretty cool. I was wondering how I could get it.
No, you can use Volanta as well.
Yeah, Volanta also will do it, but it won't pop up on your screen. And the way this calculates it and Volanta calculates it, like I had a 51 landing rate on this, but then Volanta said it was like 250. So
It depends if it takes it off your main gear or your front gear.
Yeah.
Volanta, is that that thing that we put on there?
Yep.
It tracks your flights and everything?
Yep.
Yeah, I turned that off when I started having computer problems, just in case that was it. I never turned it back on because I didn't really get anything out of it.
Yeah, no, they should be good. I
don't do a lot of airline flights like Cisco does. So.
Yeah,
Well, if you're in for military flights, it's still good to have.
Is it?
Yeah, I just track the airline stuff, but you can track anything and everything. Like if you're just doing a VFR flight, you can track it so then you know exactly where you went before. Like let's say you really like the place, but then you're like, well, I have absolutely no clue how I got there. But you'd be able to see your flight path and then go back.
Okay.
Somebody just left.
Why did Dark start landing here? Wow. Poor Desert Soul.
I wouldn't call it like a landing though.
It was the controlled ditching. Uncontrolled.
Oh.
Oh, that didn't look so good.
So we're off to Oscar India Mike November. Vajnord Airport. Vajnord. Yeah, let me know when you get.
Does this volcano have a hole in the top, or?
No.
Yeah, if you fly right into it, you end up in Canada.
That was a good one. Alright, I'm gonna do that.
For me, I'm flying low in between the mountains.
Oh, this looks good.
No hole.
They're all being down when you crash into it.
Oh, this is dangerous.
I've flown by Mount Fuji before.
Yes.
It has a hole.
Yeah. You go and you try to park in there, then it's hard to get out.
Black hole.
Yeah.
I climbed Mount Fuji.
Really?
Yeah, it's a really cool trail. Takes you all the way to the top.
Was that in Climbing Simulator?
That was in my real life simulator.
Stairmaster.
Yes, Stairmaster. Or it's not Peloton, but it's well, there's one where you can bike and you're like in France and all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have them with like big screens where it's like, you know, trying to simulate it. I just go outside. Do the real thing, like here's the.
I just saw an ad for ground services simulator for your Oculus. So
Yeah,
you
for
can bring the aircraft into parking.
because it looks very good, but I don't have VR, so then I'm not going on the VR.
Yeah.
What was I watching? Oh, I was watching one of my teammates on Sunday. He was doing a stream of the other car, and then he goes and he drives, but he's driving in VR. I had to turn it off because I just couldn't. Like,
This is a long one. This is 500 nautical miles.
yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna go to 60,000 feet on this one.
60,000.
We're gonna need it. Go flaps, take off. Alright. Gonna line up with the runway at 1,000 feet. I'm gonna go to roughly 500 knots and I'm gonna go 60, well, no, you know what, 50 degrees. So as soon as you get to the 500 mark, your speed.
Is type 1 miles east of Ashgabat, 900 feet.
So going up,
Flight following.
50 degrees.
Lockheed Martin Lightning 2 Foxtrot 35 Bravo
Yep.
Ashgabat approach. Squawk 6501.
It's 50 degrees and then 60 for flight level.
Oh, that's a lot of degrees. That's a lot of degrees.
I've got 2 degrees, but no, 50. That's a lot. That's a lot of schooling.
I don't think she's gonna make it. Where's the
Lightning 2 Foxtrot train, flight
You'll see.
speed's falling off so fast?
You'll see.
Just keep at it. I'm at 20, 270.
No way.
Speed is dropping.
I gotta
Lift it up. It's more than you can do.
Nope.
Your body's right. Your mouth's right checks your body can't catch.
Ashgabat Center, Lockheed Martin
Okay.
Lightning 2
32, and then I'm gonna level off to 20 degrees.
Good, yeah.
Yeah. Stalling.
I got to 30.
I'm at 35, 33.5.
Are we going up to 60?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Eventually.
Okay.
I just wanted to do a rapid climb, and then this one can just be 15 degree to 20 degree. It depends. So it's your discretion.
I got to get mine flying. Jeez.
You must have a lot of weight still.
I got rid of it.
Yeah, it's probably because you
tank
have
is
the older
full.
model.
A lot of fuel.
Might be the old model, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a dog. Alright. Coming up.
Still only 15 degrees. Speed's climbing up.
Now when you're flying, these flaps work automatically, right?
Not at all.
Mine's at 12 degrees now. It's going now it's at 9.
Oh yeah, no, that's the. Yeah, but they only does the auto flap until it gets to 10 degrees, and then. But it also depends on your airspeed too. Oh god, I've got like the sun in my rear view. You see
Yeah,
that?
in the mirror. Yeah.
Yeah, it's making you blind.
That's me coming up now.
Is there a way to trim this thing?
Yeah, I'm trimming it right now.
Not like with scissors and like a razor.
No, I'm slowly trimming it to make sure that it stays at 15 degrees here.
Yeah. Yeah,
No
I'm good now.
No percentage yet.
Well, it all depends on your pitch.
I'm asking you
So-
what work is right.
Mine's at 18. the 18 pitch, and I don't have my hand on my stick at all.
Yeah,
It's holding. Yeah, it's holding it.
Working for me too. What about 15?
Going.
Nope, that's gonna hurt.
Dude, high alpha there.
Yeah, but you don't have enough thrust to waste ratio for yours.
These things spin so easily.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. Okay, I'm gonna try to do another high alpha.
I'm gonna do a high Zulu.
There we go. Low alpha. Holding the high alpha now. Oh, I hit the building. Should have went full afterburner.
Oh,
Fire.
put me back into this.
They should make this area in DCS.
Should we blow the hell out of it? They have weapons in DCS, right?
Oh
Yep.
yeah, yeah. But you're limited. So you got your loadout, and then after that you have to pay every time you load out.
No.
Really?
Imagine that.
Ooh.
Pay $130 US for a aircraft, and then you have to pay $50 every time you want new missiles.
Oh, nice building, Ben.
I ran out of gas. But I've got this little key here I found. It's called the help key. Push that.
Does it help?
I don't know if I remember which button to push. Yeah, there we go.
Alright, let's go up, and then we're gonna do. And come back. Oh, nope, that's not gonna do it.
Helps a lot. But you gotta restart.
Lord, oh Lord, 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 have mercy, Lord. Oh,
Come back.
Ooh, that's quite the freeway.
oh, Merry Christmas. Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness. The Spitfire ain't,
Yeah, it's not an easy thing to take off, is it?
no, sir. Oh. Oh.
That speed. Alright, let's see if I can get you.
Oh.
Yeehaw!
Lockheed Martin Lightning II, Foxtrot 35 Bravo exit runway 180.
Spin. Right rudder. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Winter span in a CRJ7.
What? Winter band?
Yeah,
Oh,
CR,
boy.
in our what?
the CRJ 700.
What's he doing this CRJ?
All right, Marsh, I'm on your 6.
You got me.
Come, cats.
The kill right there. Yeah.
I gotta bring it to the gate. Gotta get the GSX to bring the passengers. If it happens, I'm gonna cut that. Put it in as a YouTube short.
Fly by your appetite.
Marshler has been dispatched on site. Follow me, vehicles on its way. Methahad?
Etihad Airways? What?
Yeah. The follow me truck is on its way.
Oh my god, GSX.
Yes, GSX is working. Oh man, and he's on the runway too.
Follow me, bands on the runway?
Yes, because I called it when I was on the runway.
125 decimal. Lockheed Martin Lake.
Oh, he's turning around.
5 Bravo.
Now I gotta turn around again.
Oh, no, that's not good.
Follow me as the ride is on your right. I'm new to Kabul. Never been here before. Thank you for the great welcome.
I wouldn't get out of the plane.